Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom filled with blooming gardens and colorful meadows, lived a princess named Rose. She was known far and wide for her gentle heart and her magical voice, a voice so sweet that flowers opened whenever she sang.
In the night sky where dreams fly high, I catch a shooting star, my heart takes flight. It whispers secrets in the moon's soft light, a Celtic tune in the wind's gentle bite. Through the ancient glen where the trees stand tall, I follow the trail where the fireflies call. With every step under the starry veil, I feel the magic in this enchanted trail. Oh, Celtic stardust.
Every evening, Princess Rose stood on her balcony to sing. Her voice floated through the air, calming the winds and making the stars shimmer with joy.
Shining so bright in your embrace.
One night, as the princess sang her sweetest melody, a magnificent golden bird appeared. Its feathers shone like pure gold, and its eyes sparkled like diamonds. It perched beside her and sat quietly, listening deeply to her beautiful song, enchanted by her magical voice.
The violin's melody, like a whispered plea, goes dancing through the air with no need for tea. In the quiet
But deep in the dark forest, a wicked witch grew jealous. She hated beauty and joy, and she could not bear the sound of Princess Rose's songs. So she cast an evil spell to silence the princess forever.
Enough of her songs! I can't stand another note or note of this terrible music!
The next evening, when Princess Rose tried to sing, not a single sound came out. Her voice had completely vanished. The flowers drooped and the kingdom fell silent. The golden bird felt deep sorrow for the princess. Determined to save her voice, it flew into the dark forest to find the witch and break the spell. The wicked witch trapped the golden bird inside a crystal cage. She laughed and said,
"Only a tear of true sorrow can break my spell."
But the golden bird was brave. It sang a song filled with such sadness and love for Princess Rose that one shining golden tear fell from its eyes. The tear struck the crystal cage and shattered it. The golden bird carried the magical tear to the palace. And gently touched it to Princess Rose's lips. Her voice returned instantly, more beautiful and powerful than ever before.
in the night sky where dreams fly high, I catch a shooting star, my heart takes flight. It whispers secrets in the moon's soft light, a Celtic tune.
As Princess
in the
Rose sang
wind's
again,
gentle
flowers bloomed, the skies
bite.
brightened, and joy returned to
Through
the kingdom.
ancient glen where the trees stand tall,
the witch's power vanished forever, and the golden bird remained her loyal friend for all time.